Hey, good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Wayno's Rod House. I hope everybody had a good weekend and I hope everybody has a good week. Got to get the table cleaned off. Been making plastics. I'll take you over here and show you these plastics. I'm gonna make this a short video, but I did all those. They came out pretty nice. I really like them crabs. Hey, I hope everybody's gonna have a great week, but I gotta get my table cleaned off because I got a busy week here. As you can see how messy this table is. Then we're gonna flip around here, close your eyes so you don't get dizzy. And I got all these rods on this wall to fix. Hey, y'all have a good week. Wayne Old Rod House saying we love y'all. Go fishing and happy RVing.